Well, alright guys, here we are with another episode of whatever the heck this is, and don't tell me that I've never brought you an innovative concept or idea, that I didn't try to be part of capitalism, because if you watch any of my videos and you've looked and you've seen things that I've done over the years, and I've been on here and I started shooting videos and pictures before YouTube even existed, then you'll know that I tried. I even came all the way to America to enjoy the American dream. And the American dream said, no, you will not participate in the American dream. I've shown you all the stuff that I've done. You have stuff that you can see on CG Trader. It's all over the internet. It's all over social media. It started off with that Marvimation concept and Meow Meow concept. One was dedicated to, I would say more like 3D models and stuff like that. And then, so that was Marvimation. And Meow Meow was supposed to be the new concept for attire. You know, things that you wear. Like Better Jimmy Than You. And all that jazz. Anyway, I tried everything, including building aftermarket stuff for vehicles. And as you can see here, this that you see before you is a track that is sitting inside a RAV4. So, again, this is a new idea, a new concept, but you know what? It will never make money because what? It's not enough to have a cool idea. It's not enough to build a cool idea if you don't have the people and infrastructure around you like Elon Musk does, in order for that to actually turn into money. Because, wait for it, capitalism isn't free anymore. We don't have a free market anymore. And therefore, just like Eli the computer guy found out the hard way when he called in to his YouTube administrators, and he asked, can I have the rules of how to do things on YouTube? And they said, oh no, Eli, we can't print it out for you because we got lawyers. Exactly. If you don't have lawyers, you can't do business in America, which is what I tell people all the time. There's so many other places you could go to make your dreams come true. America just ain't it anymore. But people don't listen, and then they come here and they find the hard way, just like I found the hard way during the Obama administration when I graduated from school. And I found scorched earth around me with nothing to do. Anyway, I built this track especially for the 176 turbo racing chassis, drift chassis, which happens to be the TC03 chassis model. But we also have the Jabaye. It's not Baye tofu, but hey, it may carry tofu in the back, as we know. If you know anything about Initial D, Initial D brings tofu to the next level in the car. So we will test it out today to see how it functions. Now again, the product may not be crap. It's just that I suck at drifting. So keep that in mind as we destroy the track that I built. And I did bring cones today for you guys. Yeah, I did. I did that. I accomplished that. Anyway, we're going to try, since we're in a Toyota, to run the Toyota. And hopefully, if that doesn't work, I also brought another car. And it'd be extra nice and smart if I could figure out how to turn on the remote. Okay, I turned it on. Because when you're going senile, when you're going completely senile, okay, looks like the car is going. It's harder to remember how to do things that should be like pretty trivial, but you know, in the modern world of technology, as Eli the computer guy will tell you, it is what it is. And perhaps the track itself is not, how do you say, what can I say? Does not deliver enough traction for this to actually